Hello everyone, I've literally just gotten in from college and this has showed up. Now this is a very exciting panel and it was sent by the almighty NACA Fire and Security, so obviously shout out to him and go and subscribe to him and all that. But yeah, this is a Siemens Cerberus Fit panel with some devices. Very excited for this panel. This might actually be the best panel I'll ever get. We'll find out anyway. Need to experience it first before I make any judgments. But yeah, I might as well get started on the unboxing. I don't know what I'm going to do with the camera, but we'll have to figure something out real quick and then get unboxing. It's not an ideal camera angle, but you'll have to make it do because it's the best I can provide. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to open. Yes, I'm using a screwdriver. Don't judge. I think you're not going to see any of this. It doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. You'll also notice that I've ripped a chunk of bloody cardboard out of it. That's because Connor's address was conveniently under the my address, so I thought I wouldn't dox him, because that would be slightly unwise, especially with people like TGP, Fire and Security, existing. But yeah. Really struggling with this corner piece. Okay, I think I see what I need to do. Or do I? Oh, okay. I figured it out. Don't worry. It's a very strange box. Where the fuck did you get this from, Connor? And it's not working too great. Okay, I get it. Or do I don't get it. We're in. Let's have a look. Ooh. Now, I have been informed that the devices are inside the panel, so we won't see those yet, but oh, there's the reveal. A bit of tape stuck to my hand. Nice. Yeah, obviously it's the wrong way round. Siemens Cerberus. Very nice condition. Screen looks okay. No damage. Yeah, we'll get this out of the box and have a better look. Don't get me wrong, I knew this was going to be a small panel, but I didn't think it was going to be this small. It's a good thing though, because I was a bit concerned about it fitting where the Morley was. But that doesn't look like it's going to be an issue whatsoever, quite frankly. Is that already open? No. There we go. Okay, I'm already seeing some surprises here. Okay, so he did send this as Zyton bases. This was one thing I requested, because he doesn't have the ZP3 anymore. I have the ZP3 that he had, which he sold to Adam, which Adam sold to me. So that's what that is. Those are for these sounders. So yeah, that's going to be good. What the fuck is that? Okay. Random keypad. Connor, have you been using keypads as packing material? Okay, that's a little cool thing to have. Is that a detector that's been Eaten? Connor, have you eaten a detector? Okay. That is a manual for the interbases. Oh yeah, okay. I remember this. Manual for the, what they called, for the JSB panel that he printed out. Because why the hell not? Another Zyton clip base. That's what that box is full of, I believe. Back box for a Siemens call point, which you will see in a minute. I'll have to get that out and have a look at what that is. Think it might be something weird. I don't know. We'll have a look. That looks like a call point. That looks like a detector on an ancillary. Again, I'll obviously get these out and show you better. And that'll be the interbase with a detector as well. Nice. So, and some glands as well, because why the hell not? Can't see NACA fire and security. Of course, it needed signing on the inside. That was a requirement. Yeah, really small, like, main board, I won't lie. They could have made the panel smaller, as if it wasn't small enough. That's impressive, that, you know. But yeah, I will unbox the devices and show those in a bit more detail. So first up we have this, which obviously is a call point. Now Siemens used fully on call points, which some people don't like. I don't mind the fully on call points. I wouldn't say they're an amazing design, but you know, I've never experienced issues with them. They don't jam. I just don't think that they're very exciting. I think that's their main problem. But this one is exciting because it is a dressable. Okay. I don't know if it's glass or resettable, so I won't press it. Oh no, that's resettable, I can tell. Nice one. So yeah, the back box obviously has a gland in it. That's not an issue. I've got another back box that I can use for if I don't want a gland. If I install this as like a shed system, then I will want a gland, but I'll also want 2 glands, so I'll just add another one next to it. But yeah, I mean, I think he's used a screwdriver to put that hole in for the gland, which, questionable, Connor. But yeah, it's doesn't matter. So that's the call point. It's pretty standard. At the back is just terminals. It's nothing that you wouldn't see on the conventional version. Obviously, it's a little bit different because you've sort of got loop in, loop out, rather than your different resistances. But yeah, that's the call point. Next device. Now this one is exciting. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Siemens kit. If you haven't watched Connor's channel, then you might not be, because Connor is the only channel so far to have had this panel as a demo system anyway. Obviously there's like Siemens product videos, but I won't include those as canon to this argument. It's like unsheathing some sort of penis. What the fuck? Okay. Well, if you ever wanted to see inside the sounder base, then that's it. That's a piezo, by the way. That's what actually makes the sound. I think it needs a bit of super glue on it. Can't remember if Connor mentioned that or not. I think he did. Yeah, let me repair this. Hang on. Very interesting. Okay. So you get this little black piece that clips over. Yeah, it definitely needs a bit of super glue on it, but that's nothing I can't do. That's what it should look like, unexploded. Yeah, that'll be interesting. And then obviously this is just an optical on this. I've already got a couple of these, like, that's just exploded again, doesn't matter. Yeah, optical detector. And then we should have a, yes, we have the, is it ASA detector on a sounder interbase, which is the sort of main sounder base that actually takes an address on the loop, and sort of, I think both sounder bases have different tones, like as in they have multi-tones, but this one obviously it's beacon as well, and it fits under the detector rather than being sort of off to the side. And obviously you can change the detector out for whatever you want. You can put that optical in this. I think the opticals look nicer in these, even though these Acer detectors are sort of slimmer. I don't like the look of these Acer detectors. I think they're a little bit weird. I do like them though because of their features. These are basically dual optical, similar to sort of Gen S quads and the like. So I'll be excited to sort of try that out, see what it's like, see how it reacts to different stimuli to cause an alarm condition. So devices wise, that's it. Now the next clip you see, I'll have this panel on hopefully and working. But that will have to be a different video, I'm afraid. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and obviously massive shout out to Connor